Hello everyone. Welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through how to log into the MetaTrader 5 application. If you're looking for a way to access your MetaTrader 5 app, you're in the right place. To get started, make sure you've downloaded the MetaTrader 5 application onto your smartphone. Once the download is complete, tap to open the app. When you launch the app for the first time, it may prompt you to open a demo account. If you want to do that, simply tap the Open button. However, if you already have an account, follow these steps to log in. 1. From the main homepage, tap the Settings button located at the bottom right corner. 2. Next, tap on the New Account button. 3. On the Brokers page, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can either enter your company or server's name to connect to your account by providing your credentials. 4. Alternatively, if you want to log into a demo account, tap on MetaQuotes Software Corp. 5. You'll now see two options. Register for a new demo account to practice trading and strategies. Log into an existing account. To log into an existing account, enter your login credentials in the first text box. Type in your password in the next field. Once done, tap Done at the bottom right corner. You'll now successfully log into your MetaTrader 5 account. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more informative videos soon. Thank you for watching.